Hi there, adventure seekers and horror lovers. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to a mysterious hollow tree in the heart of the scary woods. This tree is shrouded in creepy legends, and no one dares to go near it. But what secrets does it hold? If you're ready, let's begin our story. Long ago, there was a lost village hidden in the darkness of the scary woods. The villagers believed in a mysterious power that lurked deep within the forest. According to legend, this power lived in a hollow tree and cursed anyone who entered the woods. A group of brave young people didn't just hear these legends, they decided to investigate them. They ventured into the scary woods, surrounded by an eerie silence. The only sounds were the rustling of the wind and strange bird calls, as the sunlight couldn't reach through the thick canopy of trees. As they went deeper into the woods, the young people found the hollow tree mentioned in the legends. It was huge and terrifying, with dark holes in its trunk and a cold breeze that seemed to come from within. The teenagers were hesitant, but their curiosity got the better of them, and they approached the tree. Just then, they heard strange noises coming from the tree. Whispers, laughter, and something that sounded like a monster's roar. The teenagers froze in fear and tried to run away, but it was too late. A dark figure emerged from the tree. Its eyes glowed and sharp teeth showed in its mouth. The figure lunged at the teenagers, and their screams echoed through the woods. One of the teenagers managed to escape and ran back to the village, telling everyone what had happened. The villagers were terrified and didn't know what to do. Some wanted to go into the woods and rescue their friends, but no one dared to do so without facing the hollow tree and its cursed figure. That night, no one from the scary woods survived. Since then, the hollow tree has become even more terrifying. No one dares to go near it, and whispers still linger in the darkness of the scary woods about the mysterious monster that lives within. So, what do you think about the hollow tree in the scary woods? What do you think happened there? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're curious about what happens next in this scary story, don't forget to subscribe. For more horror stories and mysterious events, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any new videos, and you can always enjoy fun and scary content. Thanks for watching today. I had a great time sharing the thrill of horror stories and mysterious events with you. See you on our next adventure.